Välkomna allihopa som har loggat in på det här seminariet. Vi ska prata om RDL-produkter idag och som ni vet så RDL har ju en ofantlig massa produkter och vi kommer framförallt att titta på Dante och Dante-produkter och lite Bluetooth-produkter. Men innan vi överlåter ordet till Chuck Smith så ska jag visa lite grann hur ni lätt kan hitta RDL-produkter. De har ju över 900 produkter och det är inte så lätt att orientera sig bland alla, men vi har försökt kategorisera det mesta av produkterna på vår hemsida så att man lätt kan hitta det man är ute efter. Och då ska jag lite snabbt visa hur det kan gå till. Så då ska jag dela min skärm här. Så, syns hemsidan nu? Can you see the homepage, Chuck?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Så när man ska ta tag i en RDL-produkt då, så de flesta finns under installation här. Man går in på installation och väljer till exempel väggpaneler. Så får man fram alla våra väggpaneler och då kan man här sen välja vilken typ av väggpanel man är ute efter. Man är ute efter blåtandspaneler till exempel. Eller vanliga XLR-paneler. Så hittar man rätt. Och som finns att välja på. Sen kan man gå in och läsa lite mer och är man inloggad så ser man ju också vad som vi har i lager och man ser sina nettopriser. Om man vill vara specifikt ute efter Dante-produkter så kan man gå in under Dante här och välja in- och utgångsinterface. Så är det likadant här, man kan välja tillverkare utav RDL där. Så får vi fram alla deras Dante-interface och sen kan man välja om man vill ha mikrofon, linjer eller vad man är ute efter. Så det är väldigt lätt att hitta på vår hemsida vad man är ute efter och vad som finns i lager och vad det kostar och så vidare. Det var lite snabbt bara hur det funkar på hemsidan. Så att nu lämnar jag över till Chuck så får han från RDL och så får han starta sin presentation. Go ahead, Chuck.
Okay, wonderful. Hello everyone, I'm going to pull up my screen real quick here. There we go, and start. Okay, wonderful. Well, I want to thank everyone for joining us today. Just minimize my bandwidth here. I'll change that. Okay, I want to thank you for joining us today for this presentation on RDL Bluetooth products. In this presentation, I'll review how RDL's studio quality Bluetooth products interface wireless audio with Dante network audio systems and with RDL's Format A system, which is analog audio over network cables. I'll review the product features, I'll cover several system drawing examples, and I'll provide a brief overview of what Format A actually is. Let me introduce the products to you. First, the module or product on the left is the DD-BTN44, and this is a bidirectional line level and Bluetooth audio Dante interface. The second module is our DBT1A Bluetooth audio, which is a Format A interface. And this interface is a Format A sender. If you're not aware, Format A systems require both sending and receiving modules. So I'll also review our TX-TPR2A two-pair receiver later in this presentation to help you better understand what Format A system is. And both of these products, both of these Bluetooth products are Decora style products. Both of these modules do not require any special software to set up or operate. They were both designed for commercially installed sound systems. For example, the pairing and unpairing is very simple. To pair with a smartphone or other smart device, just push the pair button on the front panel until the blue LED flashes. While flashing, locate the module ID name in the Bluetooth settings on a smartphone or other device, and then click Pair Device and follow the screen prompts to complete the pairing process. And unpairing is equally easy. The Bluetooth signal automatically unpairs 30 seconds after the user device leaves the area, or you can push the hold the pair button again to reset the unit. It's that easy. These Bluetooth products come with a factory default module ID name without any programming password enabled. The module ID name can be customized, and a programming password can be added later through the Bluetooth connection. For full details on this process, please see the programming instructions, which are available on our website's product pages. Now we'll review the specific features of the DD-BTN44 Dante interface. This module converts 2 stereo audio sources to 4 Dante network channels. One set of inputs is from Bluetooth audio, and the other is from a choice of either a stereo mini jack or dual RCA jacks, which are inputs located on the front panel. Both of these inputs are switch selectable to stereo or mono summed mode. The physical switches are located on the unit's face, where the installer can configure them, and then hidden behind the cover plate during final installation. This unit also converts 4 Dante audio channels to line level audio. 2 output channels are available on removable terminal block located on the rear side of the unit. These outputs can be wired balanced or unbalanced, and the other 2 outputs are available on a stereo mini jack located on the front panel. This module has a return audio talk channel feature, which connects audio from the Dante network to a Bluetooth connected smartphone. One Dante channel may be routed back to a connected smart device through the Bluetooth interface, enabling full duplex communication. And last, this interface is powered from PoE, which is power over Ethernet. If you're not familiar, PoE is electrical power that's provided by a network switch that offers the PoE feature. The electrical power is distributed over the same network cable that distributes the Dante audio signals. In this system example, 2 DD-BTN44 modules allow Bluetooth and line level audio sources to be routed to each room's or both rooms' sound systems through the Dante network. And the stereo mini jack output provides line level audio, which, for example, could be used to feed a recording device to record the meetings. This meeting room system example could easily be applied to a hotel, school, house of worship, government, or any other environment. And I'd like to point out that almost every system application drawing we've ever made can be applied to multiple industry applications. The next drawing shows how the DD-BTN44 can provide full duplex conference call functionality to a paired smartphone, which allows a remote caller to participate in the meeting. Through Bluetooth, the smartphone in the local conference room connects to the room's microphone and loudspeaker system. One Dante audio channel is routed back to the smartphone through the Bluetooth interface so everyone can communicate. And please note that a paired smartphone can only play audio through the conference room loudspeakers when it is not on a conference call. Before we see the next Bluetooth product, I want to provide a quick review of our Format A system. Although these products do not reside on a network, RDL's Format A products send audio signals and power over standard Cat-X network cables. And when we say Cat-X, we mean Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6 or greater. Each Cat-X cable contains 4 pairs of wire. 3 of the pairs are reserved for audio signals, which we call pairs A, B, and C. And the 4th pair is reserved for electrical power. You can send these audio signals over short or long distances, actually up to 800 meters, without signal degradation. And you can insert system power at the sending end, the receiving end, or in between using any of RDL's Format A power inserters. The Format A system is an economical and easy to install solution. And there are over 70 models to choose from, which are available in many form factors, most which can be daisy chained or looped together. And this makes them ideal for any large or small system design. Our second Bluetooth product is called the DBT1A Format A interface. This interface is a Format A sender, which allows you to easily add Bluetooth audio inputs to any sound system. After pairing a smartphone or similar device, the Bluetooth audio signal is converted to line level audio, which can then be sent to any Format A receiver. The audio signal can be sent in stereo or mono sum mode, which is switch selectable on the rear panel. In stereo mode, the audio signals are fed down pairs B and C. In mono sum mode, a rear panel switch allows you to select which pair, either A, B, or C, is fed. In mono mode, you could daisy chain or loop up to 3 DBT1A modules to one 3-pair receiver. Here's some examples. The first one is using a DBT1A in stereo mode, which again sends the audio signals down pairs B and C. A microphone preamplifier is added using our DTPS1A single pair sender, which has been switched to send its audio signal down pair A on the same run of CADX cable. These 3 signals are received by a TX-TPR3A 3-pair receiver, which outputs 3 line level signals to any audio system. And here's an example of using 3 DBT1A modules in mono mode. In this 3-room fitness facility, each room has its own sound system. Using paired smartphones or similar, separate Bluetooth audio signals can be fed to each room through its local DBT1A, and all 3 modules are switched to mono sum mode. Each module's audio output is switched to pair A, B, or C, respectively. The 3 units are daisy chained or looped together on a single run of CADX cable. All 3 signals are fed to one TX-TPR3A receiver, which outputs 3 separate line level audio signals to each of the room's respective sound system. So you're aware, RDL has many 1, 2, and 3-pair Format A receivers to choose from, including color options, multiple form factors or shapes, and units with different audio output connectors to choose from. Although the interface works well with any of them, its feature works really nice with the TX-TPR2A active 2-pair receiver. And this is a fairly recent product of ours. This particular receiver has 2 line level outputs on detachable terminal block that can be wired balanced or unbalanced. These 2 outputs are assigned to pairs B and C, and it can be powered locally or remotely through the RJ45 jack, and it features a blue LED power indicator. In mono mode, you could daisy chain or loop up to 3 DBT1A modules to one 3-pair receiver. And like all Format A products, this TX receiver is designed with precision active balance circuitry to provide studio quality audio. Here's a simple application drawing that shows how this receiver can be used for a stereo sound system. First, the DBT1A Bluetooth interface is switched to stereo mode. The receiver receives audio on pairs B and C, then outputs 2 line level audio signals to a stereo sound system. A single PS24AX power supply is connected to the receiver's power jack, which provides power to the Bluetooth sender through the CADX cable. This next example shows how to use the receiver with 2 mono sound systems. 2 DBT1A Bluetooth interfaces are switched to mono sum mode. Then their audio signals are switched to send signals down either pairs B or C. The TX-TPR2A receives the audio and outputs 2 separate line level signals to each of the mono sound systems, respectively. Again, only a single power supply is connected to the receiver to power all of the Format A modules in the system. Since these products work so well together, we highly recommend purchasing all 3 as an essential, cost-effective solution. And for great cost savings for 2 mono sound systems, simply order 2 DBT1A interfaces with 1 receiver and power supply. Due to the many color choices and size options available, our decor style accessories are ordered separately. These include cover plates, desktop chassis, surface mount boxes, and all which are available in 1 to 4 gang sizes, and they come in either white, black, or gray. The cover plates are also available in stainless steel. Plus, we offer universal wall boxes in single or double gang sizes that fit both US and international applications. And I want to take a moment to show you how and where you can easily find these products on our website at rdlnet.com. There are multiple ways to search. If you know the model number, simply type it in the search field located at the right side of the homepage header. The more characters you type, the more narrow or specific the search becomes. Another option is to click on the Products tab, also located in the top header. You can then search for these Dante and Format A products by clicking on the Dante, Format A, or Twisted Pair subcategories. Or at the bottom by clicking the series subcategories under D series and TX series. The word series mostly refers to form factors. For example, D series products are decor style products. Or you can choose our newest products. At the time of creating this presentation, all 3 of these products were fairly new and therefore appeared in the new product subcategory. Clicking on any subcategory takes you to the next search level page. Here you'll notice the D series products are available in multiple colors. Our color coding is simple. The basic model number represents white products. To choose a black version, simply add the letter B to the end of the model number's prefix or an S for stainless steel. There we go. And that wraps up this presentation. Be sure to see more of our product training modules located on our website homepage under the Reference tab. I'd like to wrap up one last thing and point out that RDL does have all of our products available, including Bluetooth and the entire Dante line. All these products are on the shelf and available for shipping. Many of you are aware that the industry is having a chip shortage. Many manufacturers are telling us around the globe, around the world, that they have massive product delays in being able to fulfill orders. Please note that's not the situation with RDL. Again, our products are all available. We're in great shape and we'd love to support you through standard audio. I hope you found this information helpful, and we appreciate you taking the time to learn about RDL Studio quality Bluetooth interface products. Thank you. And now I'm happy to answer any questions you might have.
Okay, thank you very much, Jack.
My pleasure.
Är det någon som har frågor? Så går det bra att ställa det. Annars så har ni frågor senare så kan ni kontakta oss på Standard Audio. Claes Jansson, jag eller Thomas Eriksson är de som är mest insatta i det här sortimentet. Ja, annars får jag tacka alla för att ni deltog i det här och ha en bra kväll. Tack så ni ha.